We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing and some of the most mispronounced food names too, including from Spanish, so make sure to stay tuned for those. Now, how do you say it? We'll be looking at the Spanish pronunciation versus English pronunciation. In Spanish, this is said as chicharrones, chicharrones. You do want to stress on that ro syllable, and because there's a double R, you want to roll your R quite thoroughly. Chicharrones. Now, in English, if you cannot pronounce Spanish very well, you can simply say chicharrones, chicharrones, with that emphasis on the third row syllable. Chicharrones from Spanish, chicharrones. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more delicious food names from around the world whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.